There are a lot of sides of Mark. Everything from his role as husband and father and business leader. But there's probably no role that he plays right now in his life that he feels more strongly about than his role in philanthropy. One that has consumed much of his time, energy, and passion has been work with AIDS research and vaccine development, primarily based in South Africa. But by the same token, while he's busy acting at a global level, he never loses sight of the importance locally to be involved in our own backyard in things that are crucial to our community's interest to make it the place that we all want to live with the kind of health care that we all want to have access to. Mark first became involved with Northern Westchester Hospital in the early 2000s, and he was asked to join the board of directors.
Mark Schwartz has been a great board member for this hospital and has had enormous impact in a whole variety of ways. It's the strategic thinking, it's the commitment to the patient and the community, it's the commitment to our staff, and it's always about what's going to serve the community best in the long run. And in healthcare, that's often a very difficult equation to solve, because there's always this desire to do more, and there's this serious problem of limited resources.
5 years ago, the Board of Trustees invited the nurses to explain to the board how they could help support nursing. Uniformly, what the nurses told the board was they would like more opportunities for professional development and continuing education. Mark Schwartz and his wife Lisa donated to a professional development endowment fund.
Every nurse that's on staff is on a level of the clinical ladder. In order to progress on the clinical ladder, every nurse needs continuing education hours. The Mark Schwartz Endowment has enabled nurses throughout the hospital to attend conferences and continuing education classes.
The hospital has a Code Purple team that responds to every behavioral code. Through the endowment, I was able to be certified in nonviolent crisis intervention to promote the safety of the patient and the other staff members in the crisis.
Mark and I have lived in this community for almost 25 years. There are enormous friendships that we've made over those years, and I would say that our relationship with Northern Westchester Hospital is one of the proudest and most impactful things that we have done, community-wise.
It's hard to summarize Mark in a single word. And I think of our tagline, expertise, technology, and humanity. This is someone who truly lives and represents all three of those dimensions. It's what Mark Schwartz is to this hospital.